Do you want to make money while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that can generate up to €200 per day, completely on autopilot. No need to show your face, no coding, and no experience required. Just watch until the end because tool number 3 might actually blow your mind. Let's kick things off with the first tool, ChatGPT, the AI writing assistant that's changing the freelance game. Now, most people use ChatGPT just to ask questions or write simple text, but what if I told you that people are using it to create full-scale blog posts, product descriptions, email copy, and even full ebooks? And here's the best part. They're selling those pieces of content on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. For example, imagine offering a blog writing service for e-commerce websites. You use ChatGPT to generate 1,000 words in minutes, clean it up with Grammarly or Hemingway editor, and deliver professional work in less than half an hour. You charge €75 per blog, and clients are more than happy to pay for fast, reliable delivery. That's €150 per hour, using just AI and a little editing skill. Want to take it even further? Use Zapier to automate client onboarding. When someone fills in a form, it automatically goes to your email or Trello board. You set up a pipeline, and ChatGPT powers the engine. This is how smart freelancers are scaling to €200 plus per day, and most people have no idea it's all run by artificial intelligence. Let's move on to tool number 2, Pictory.ai, one of the easiest ways to create YouTube videos using only text. This is where YouTube automation becomes real. With Pictory, you can turn scripts, just like the one you're hearing now, into full videos with B-roll footage, transitions, subtitles, and more. You don't need a camera, you don't need to speak, and you definitely don't need to spend hours editing. Now combine that with 11 Labs, the AI voice tool I'm using, and you have a full content production system that runs almost by itself. Here's how people are making serious money with it. They build faceless YouTube channels in niches like finance, luxury, AI, tech, or top 10 countdowns. Then using ChatGPT, they generate video scripts. Pictory turns those scripts into videos. 11 Labs adds the voice, and they upload 3 to 5 times a week. The monetization kicks in fast if you hit the right keywords. Through YouTube AdSense alone, a single video can earn between €20 and €300 depending on the topic and viewer location. Now imagine if you have 100 videos working for you, day and night, bringing in views, clicks, and income. Add affiliate links in the description or promote a digital product, and you're creating multiple streams of passive income. The best part? You can start this today. No camera, no mic, just ideas and the right AI tools. Now let's get into tool number 3, Koala.eth, the secret tool behind many passive income affiliate blogs. If you've ever tried writing blog posts to rank on Google, you know how time-consuming and technical it can be. You need keyword research, optimized titles, internal linking, and more. Koala does all of that, with a single prompt. Just type in your topic, select your target keywords, and Koala will instantly generate a full SEO-optimized article, complete with headings, structure, and meta descriptions. This is perfect for creating niche blogs that target affiliate keywords like best wireless earbuds under €100 or top skincare products for sensitive skin. Once your article is generated, you simply add affiliate links from Amazon, Bol.com, or any network you're working with. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Bloggers using this method are earning anywhere from a few hundred to several thousand euros per month, depending on how many articles they publish and how well they rank. Here's a simple strategy. Pick a niche, let's say smart home gadgets. Create a WordPress blog, generate 1 article per day with Koala, and post it. In 3 months, you've got 90 articles working for you 24/7. With even a 1% conversion rate, you're already building real passive income, powered entirely by AI. Want a full tutorial on how to do this step by step? Drop a comment below, and if this video helped you or inspired you, make sure to give it a like, Hit that subscribe button, and check the links in the description for free trials to the tools I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who automate.